Corona vaccine in Russia, $1,450 for all who are subject to the experiment. Moscow is trying to produce a local vaccine away from abroad. Russian media revealed that the authorities will pay the money for the volunteers who are participating in the experiment of a new vaccine against the emerging coronavirus, which is being developed by a government medical research center. Vadim Tarasov, director of the National Center for Research in Epidemiology and Microbiology, said that Russia plans to start a clinical trial of the coronavirus vaccine on volunteers in exchange for money for them next week. There will be 50 participants, and 100,000 rubles, $1,450, will be paid to those who complete the experiment. Others will receive 20,000 rubles, $288. Tarasov was quoted by the Moscow Times newspaper as saying. Through their accounts on social media, students of the prestigious Moscow State Medical University have published a guidebook and registration forms distributed to them for those who wish to participate in vaccine trials. The guide states that starting from June 7, this healthy men and women between the ages of 18 and 60 can participate in the experiment, and Tarasov stressed that the documents are real, according to the newspaper. In the first phase of the trial, which runs from 9 to the 22nd of June, each participant will be isolated in a medical facility in Zvenigorod, southwest of Moscow. During the second phase of the experiment, from June 23 to July 20, the vaccine will be given to the participants and taken to the Scientific and Practical Center for Cardiology in the Russian capital. A spokesman for the Zvenigorod medical facility confirmed that the first part of the vaccine testing process will be held at a treatment center that has been prepared for this purpose by the Russian Ministry of Health. The decision to engage the public underscores Russia's desire to move forward quickly with its testing of the coronavirus vaccine, which has become necessary in light of the continuing epidemic in the country. On Tuesday, the Russian army said it had recruited scores of volunteers from among its ranks to conduct a parallel clinical trial for 2 months on the same vaccine, knowing that Moscow insists on producing a local vaccine and refuses to import it from abroad. Russia has become the third largest country in the world in terms of the number of people infected with the coronavirus, as the country has recorded 441,108 infected people so far, while the number of deaths due to the epidemic reached 5,384 people.